Okay, this is the Tangle tutorial. This is the final from the live that we did. However, my tutorial does it a little bit different. So you begin this tangle with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, get rid of all the junk. I usually do some inhales and exhales. On the inhale, I breathe in what makes me feel good. On the exhale, I get rid of all the junk, relaxing my shoulders, the grip of the pen, the pressure of the pen. I begin with lines all in the same direction. They can be curved or they can be straight. And then I do this zigzag pattern and I aura that. So you do the zigzag and then you decide how big you want each space to be between each zigzag, because that will determine if you're going to shade every other space like I am here a solid color. That would be maybe a little bit different spacing than if you were going to tangle in each space like the picture at the beginning. So again, you're just doing a zigzag. So after you do your straight or curved lines, you go up, down, up, down, and then aura that all the way up to the top of the paper and all the way down. This can be any size paper, any pen, any pencil, whatever you like. What we did in the live was we actually tangled in each one, which turned out very cool. So this is what it looked like when I just did ink and that was it. I added some white charcoal at the end. This is what we did when we tangled in each one. Now, many people had asked about kits. I do have a few kits and binders in my shop. I rarely have these because I don't have much time to make them. They take lots of time to put together. So I have some binder kits, journals together, and I also have a magical mystery kit set, which only has a limited number left, and they come with 2 classes. They come with a Harry Potter themed bag that say I solemnly swear I'm up to no good. Those are all in my Etsy shop. The link is in the link tree under my profile for the Etsy shop. I also record my Thursday night Zooms that are at 7 p.m. Central Time. You can go to my website and purchase the recordings of those, or sign up every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. See you then.